Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a video I've never done before on my channel and something that I've actually never done in my whole entire life, which is cleaning out my Lululemon closet and selling my stuff. So before we even get into the video, I know you guys are going to be like, where can I buy your stuff? Like, don't give it away, don't donate it. Like, I want to buy your stuff, because I've already gotten a lot of DMs and questions about selling my stuff and when and if I'm going to post it on Poshmark. So the answer is yes, I'm going to be posting it on Poshmark. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was, but yeah, so I'm going to be selling it on Poshmark. Today I'm just going to be walking through my thought process of selling whatever I'm going to sell. It's probably not going to be a ton of stuff, and I'm going to start doing this every so often since I buy so much Lululemon. So I'm actually going to sell them to you guys on Poshmark, or anybody that wants anything. So all the stuff that I'm going to end up selling in this video, I don't know what it is yet because I haven't filmed it yet, but will be up on Poshmark right now. Like, I'm literally posting this video whatever day at 1 p.m. and the Poshmark stuff just went live at 1 p.m. So if you're watching this video right now, right when I uploaded it, then you get first dibs. So head over to my Poshmark after this video and see what I have posted. I'll show you guys at the end of this video when I'm gonna post. So if you guys wanna stay till the end and see what I picked to sell and why I picked to sell it, then that would be very appreciated. But if you guys are just gonna head over there now, just make sure, that's fine, just make sure you come back and finish the video because it's gonna be a good one. So yeah, I'm in my Lulu closet and we're gonna get started. So without further ado, let's get started. So I didn't know how to set my camera up or like what to do, because if you guys have seen my Lulu closet tour, you know I have like this whole rack of clothes, but then I've also got a whole storage unit of clothes, so I didn't really know what angle to go for. I've also got jackets on this side and down here that I'm actually going to be getting rid of soon, so it's not going to be like super crowded like it is now. I'm doing like a lot of declutters hopefully soon. I've just got too much stuff and I'm gonna end up donating and selling some of my jackets that are in here and moving them so they won't be as much. I'll probably just end up having some like at the bottom like it is now, but not on top or right there. That's the goal. Anyways, besides the point, I have to go to Orange Theory in like 30 minutes, so we're gonna try and get this done in 30 minutes, and if I can't get it done by then I'll come back after. Yeah, we're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna start with my tops on this side. You won't be able to see this side very well unless maybe if I back you up. Okay, that's better. Should have done that from the start. What the heck? Okay, if I haven't worn it in a really long time, then I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, right away I see two things that I never wear. So these are the Swiftly Tech regular links, and I don't, oh my god, I don't know if I can sell it because I don't know the size. Okay, I think this one's a 4 and this one's a 6. I'll have to go back in my hauls and figure out, but whatever I post on Poshmark is legit. But I'm gonna go back and hopefully can find the sizing in my like old Lululemon hauls. Got these like 2 years ago, pretty sure, and I never wear them because they're the regular length and I like the waist length. Could I get these hemmed? Absolutely. Am I gonna take my time to do that? Absolutely not. But from now on, any regular length Swiftly I own, I'm gonna get hemmed. So these are going to go. This actually right here is a cool racerback tank, which is my favorite tank ever, but it's not hemmed. But I'm gonna keep it because I really like it. This is really cute. I just don't wear it. Should I keep it? Okay, I'm gonna keep it because it's cropped. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't ever wear it. It's the, I don't even know the style tank top, but it's an extra small, but it fits like a, I would say a 4. Do I keep this or sell this? It's a 2. I'm just gonna keep it. My Lululemon collection is my pride and joy, so this is really hard for me. I think I'm gonna sell this Love Tee. I'm pretty sure it's in a size 4 in magenta something. It's time for this baby to go. This one's in a 6. Pretty sure this pink one's in a 4, but I'm pretty sure it's the Love Tee or something. But I just don't like the material. It shows my sweat. It's wrinkly because I always used to tie it up in a little knot. Just not a fan of the V-neck. But I'm going to sell the gray one, which was my first, or maybe second, Lululemon purchase ever in 2017 or 17. And then this pink one that I got last year. I think I'm going to sell these, you guys. I could get them hemmed, but I don't wear them enough anyway. So I could always buy them again. This is like a classic staple shirt that Lululemon has at all times, so I can always just repurchase in the future. I have it in red, gray, and black, and it's the Swiftly Tech long sleeve, regular length. I'm gonna sell this one because it isn't race length, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's not. Swiftly Tech long sleeve. This one's race length, so I'm gonna use this as my example to make sure I'm not giving away any race lengths. Yeah, see, look at that fabric difference. I'm just so short, I can't do it. It looked great on somebody that's tall or has a long torso, but as you guys can see, I have a very short torso. I'm actually going to sell this. It's never worn. It's a reversible bomber. I don't think you can get it anymore, and I did get it on sale, so I'm just gonna sell it for the sale price, but it's in a size 2. I like it, I just haven't worn it, and I've had it for a while. The day has come. I think I'm gonna part ways with my scuba full zip. I'm wearing the oversized full zip now, and this is just the regular like length, and I think I'm gonna sell it. Size 4, if you guys were wondering. I think it has a little stain, but it's because I didn't try and get it out. I'm trying to figure out where it's at. I'll have it on my poshmark if it's still there. Oh, I'm sure if you could easily get that out. Just wanted to be transparent. I didn't even attempt to get it out, like wash it or anything, so I might get rid of this. I don't even know what it is. I don't know. I wore it last season, so I might keep it. Okay, that's all for shirts and jackets. We have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is gonna be the hard part because I'm gonna try and do this so I don't mess up my like situation, because I don't want to have to reorganize everything. I'm gonna do that at a later day. So, but I'm not getting rid of any sports bras because I don't know. Do I need them all? Absolutely not. Do I want them all? Yeah. Sweatpants and shorts, like sweat shorts. Not going to be getting rid of any of these as of right now, at least. Probably none of my lines, honestly. Hopefully you guys can see. None of my in movements, none of my invigorates, none of my winter trains. But I am gonna sell these all the right places. Crop, and they have the little reflective, so they're in a size 6. I think I'm gonna sell these 6 tall Hottie Hot. I think they're high rise, but they just don't fit right. They've got a pink thing. That wasn't me, it was when I washed them. It might, I think it's a manufacturer error because a lot of people were having this problem when they wore their white Hottie Hots, they were getting pink. So I'm gonna sell these, but for a good price. And I'm gonna sell these tracker shorts, yeah, size 6. Because I wear a 4 now. I need to redo that a little bit, but whatever. I'm gonna sell these, I think, because I never wear them. New with tag, size 4 speed ups. And then these size 6 camo ones. And then these size 6 speed ups, again with the pink thing. These are the 4-inch. All these shorts that I'm selling are the 4-inch. I'm honestly thinking about doing another bin. I have an extra bin of sports bras, and then sports bra like long lines in a different one. That way I know like if I'm reaching for a sports bra that I can wear as a top or just a sports bra, and move my lines over here and the black to the back. I think we're gonna do that. But before that happens, I'm gonna end off the video. So I ended up giving away, or not giving away, selling 2 size 6 speed up shorts, one in camo, one in white, both 4-inch. 4-inch size 4 cute design speed up shorts, and a 4 tracker short size 6 black, and Hottie Hot's 4-inch 6 high rise. And then all the right places crop size 6 in black. All these tops and jackets I showed you guys. Might add more, we shall see. Just kidding guys, I forgot to do my skirts and my biker shorts, but I think there's only one thing I want to get rid of, and it's these, because I never wear them. I don't even know what the name of these are, but they're a size for. I'll try and find the name for you guys, but that's going on my Poshmark. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to shop my closet, I'll have my Poshmark linked and listed in the description box, and just click the link and it'll take you there. And definitely shop my stuff if you guys are interested. It'll go fast. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Let me know any video suggestions you guys have and if I should do these more often. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll hopefully see you very, very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.